welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it was about time that I did a video partially outside. So before I get into the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a lot more videos shortly every week as usual, and I might even bump it up to 2 times a week, but we'll see. Today I decided that I would try doing the Vogue challenge. In the cover, what would you do and what would your makeup be and all that stuff. So I decided, why not? And I'm going to be moving soon, so I'll be doing another moving vlog. Just keep tuned with my life. Peace out. I'm going to be starting an EMT program with a college, so I'm really excited. And after that, 4 to 6 month training, I'm going to be going on to paramedic. So if you want to follow me with what I'm doing, videos relating to that, then be sure to say so in the comment box. Even you guys can come with me to class if you're interested. If not, I can keep doing variety of stuff that I'm doing now. So just tell me, and it will definitely help me to know your preference. And as always, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Peace out.